Hello mga abat! For today's video, we're gonna make a very special pasta recipe. Did you know what pasta recipe is it? Of course, this is aglio e olio recipe. So now, this recipe is very easy to make. We only need few ingredients like this. First thing first, we have the garlic. So we're gonna slice it in the center because we need to remove the bitterness inside the garlic. So you can see that you remove it as well. After removing it, we need to slice it like this. And then these are the recipe also, the chili flakes. We have also the Parmesan cheese powder and garlic. We have also the organic pasta. After slicing the ingredients and preparing it, we need to cook also the pasta. So we have to put a little bit of oil and also salt. Okay, so after that, we need to prepare also for cooking the shrimp, the butter shrimp. So we can put also salt and pepper to taste so that we can put the butter shrimp later so it has a very unique style and ideas in the recipe. And after that, we gonna put olive oil for the next step and then the garlic, okay? And after the garlic, so we need to make it brownish, something like that, so that the aroma will going out. And we also put the chili flakes after the garlic that it will be in brownish. And after that, we put the cooked pasta in the like that. And then we put also the pasta water that we boiling the pasta before, and then we put pepper powder and then a little bit of salt, and then we're gonna stir it like that, and then we put the parmesan powder and onion, and then also we have, because we don't have the parsley leaves, so we put only the onion leaves, something like that, because it's optional. And then taste it. It's very yummy. And then also we put now the shrimp. It's very big shrimp. And then that's it. That's my aglio e olio recipe for today's video. Hope you like it, guys. Okay, bye mga abat!
Na? Mapagay ko ni Ingon. Unsay lami ke? Unsaon? Unsay lami? Unsaon to paglami? Unsaon? Oh, perfect. Woo!